Hello everyone, this is Mr. DeBetz again. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trim your clips, how to add transitions, and then also how to add and move text. So as you'll see, I've already imported footage into my project or media bin. So to get started, I'm going to take a clip, I'm going to drag it into the timeline and drop it right here. So again, your top clip is going to be your video, and the bottom will be your audio. First thing I'm going to show you is how to trim. So there's two different ways you can do this. One way is if you go to the beginning or an end of a clip, you're going to see this red arrow. Once you see that red arrow, you're going to click, hold it, and then you're just going to move your mouse in that direction, and it's going to trim the clip. So again, you can do that at the end or the beginning of one of your clips here. The other option, especially if you want to maybe cut in between, is here on your toolbar. You're going to go to the razor tool. Once you have that, you click. You can go anywhere on the clip, and then it allows you to cut it. So now I have two separate clips that I can separate, or if I wanted, I could delete this, and then it's going to be all gone. All right, easy, right? Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add transitions. So to add a transition, you're going to take another clip, drag it onto your timeline. So now you'll see I have this first clip and I have the second one. And to add a transition, all you have to do is you're going to go to your workspaces, which is in the upper right hand corner. It has a little blue dot next to it. Click on workspaces, and then you're going to go to effects. Once you are in effects, it gives you video transitions. Click on that, and you're going to have a folder of a bunch of different types of transitions. So for example, let's go to page peel. You're going to click on it. You're going to drag it in between the two clips you would like to transition. You drop it, then you can press play.
It is now or never.
And there, in this case, it added a page peel. If you don't like it, you click on it, delete, and then you could go in and add a different one. So in this case, we're going to do dissolve. We can do an additive dissolve. Click, drag, drop, play.
It is now or never.
Cool. So again, I've showed you how to trim a clip. I showed you how to add different transitions. Now I'm going to show you how to add text. So I'm just going to delete this, move this over. All right, adding text is very simple. You're going to go to your toolbar. You're going to hit the T for type tool. You're going to click and drag a text box onto your clip. So click, drag, and now you're going to see that you added an extra layer to the timeline. It is pink. It's called graphic. This is your text. And then you can just type something. This is how to add text. Period. To edit the text, you double click it on your timeline. It's going to open up this menu where you can change the font size, the color, the presentation. So I'm going to change it to heavy metal. Oh, that looks weird. Let's change it to horror. So now we see that. I'm going to increase the size. You just go down here. Right now it's at 100. I'm going to boost it up to 148. And then you can extend the text box in order to see it. And then you can also change the color. So you go into fill, you click on that. I'm going to change it to red. And then you can also add a stroke or outline. So I'm going to hit this check box. Right now it's white. I actually sort of like the way that looks, so I'm going to keep it like that. And then if you wanted, you could add background. So it adds a little black, or you can add some shadow just to add a little depth to the text here. All right. And then again, you can trim or drag to extend the text as much as you'd like. That way it's in the shot.